Welcome back to the present. It's been like 3 weeks since I've picked the tom-toms and the beans and the squashes. My beans are finally ready. They're rattling. Yeah, that means I can put them, like decase them out of the shellings. The case, the pods. I guess that's called the pods. I can't English. And the butternut squashes, we lost one. One did not make it. It's the one that got pecked by that stupid magpies. And it started to get really wrinkly and shriveled and just hating life, so we had to put it down. That one had to go. And my cute little beefsteak tomatoes are finally turning red. At least a couple of them are. Yeah, I know. Beefsteak tomatoes are supposed to be like this big, but not these ones. And that's okay. They didn't want to get big. And that's alright. They can grow into whatever they want to be. Alright, so I'm gonna put my beans into the rest of them. Look at these. Look how many we harvested. Isn't that awesome? One day we'll get lots more. So I'm gonna just do this. This is so fun. I love doing this. Oh crap! Bean down! Okay, it's okay. I don't know, man. This one looks kind of deformed. I don't know if you can catch it, but it looks kind of weird. Should I put it in with the rest? I don't know. I just don't know. I'm gonna put it out. I am discriminating the beans. Yes. Yeah, I don't want to put them with the rest. Because these ones are nice and healthy, and I don't know what the heck those ones are. Yeah, these are nice and plump looking. These are so neat. And I love that snap. There's something very satisfying. Oh, there's another little itty bitty. Alright, well that's done. So I just had a good lunch and I realized I needed to sharpen this knife. My stone is soaking. It's got to soak in the water for like 3 minutes, so I'm just drinking some good old straight up matcha tea. No sugar, no syrup, no BS, just plain green tea powder or matcha. Just the way I like it, just plain. Wow, it's a sharpening stone in the sink. It's wet. Nice, they're sharpened. Yep. So, well, I'm not gonna cut myself, but like I can just feel it. It's very sharp. And this is gonna help me up my cooking game. Alright, so I just made a huge rice cooker full of rice, as you can see. Beautiful. And I always make a lot of rice when I make it. Then I just put it into like these containers, like obviously when it's cooled down enough, and then I freeze them. That way I have rice on hand. Rice, yes, it's nice rice. Rice is nice. Yeah, I gotta clean all that stuff up. That is definitely true. Oh yeah, those green onion nubs that most people throw away. Look at them. They grow into this. And then you can keep using them. How awesome is that? I think it's awesome. Oh yeah, that is sage. And this thing is a pepper plant. Chili pepper plant. Gave us like I think 4 chili peppers, and Ash dehydrated them to harvest the seeds. Dried chili peppers. Good for harvesting the seeds, yo. And that's time. The big bush is time. Look at that. Smells like time. More peppers. Pepper. More pepper, 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 pepper. Pepper. Hi guys, welcome back. It's Yuki here. So I'm taking advantage of the fact that it still hasn't snowed and it's like middle of October in Edmonton. How awesome is that? I think it's awesome. And it's really loud because there's like a highway back there and there's also a highway right behind me. And there's also train tracks somewhere. Oh, it's right above. Like we're coming up to it. So I figured I'd take advantage of the fact that it hasn't snowed. Did some research on my next upcoming video. It's gonna be what? Flipping hair. It's gonna be about what supplements I take to relieve fibromyalgia. So that's gonna be next in line. But I need to get my exercise, so I'm just going for a bit of a walk. It's really nice out. It's kind of like a little bit mildly cloudy, but with lots of sun. Enough sun, that's for sure. So I figured I'd do that. Did all the chores. Got up early like usual. Got up at 6 a.m. Got breakfast and coffee ready for Ash. Drove him to school. He's finishing up his last year of heavy equipment technician. So after this, he's all done, and I am so proud of him for making it this far. Yeah, I can't believe it's middle of October and it hasn't snowed yet. It's like a gift from the universe. So I'm definitely grabbing it by the balls and milking it like a goat. Never let the child inside you die. Or never let the inner child part of you die. I'm having trouble speaking. It's called fibro fog. I love the endless skies. You don't see that in the Okanagan because there's mountains there. But here, it's pretty flat. So, especially when it's like sunrises and sunsets, it's so beautiful. Like one side would be dark and starry and the other side would be just like the setting sun, so we get the burst of purples and pinks. It's pretty cool. I will miss that very much. And I'm glad to see it. Glad that I had the opportunity to see it. And I'll probably see more of it coming soon. Yeah, I'm here for a while at least. So I'm gonna enjoy it as much as I can. hear the metal. It's so cool.